Hi my little friends, welcome back to another cooking video with Miss Jailene. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make dessert cups. So the ingredients that you're going to need is 1 box of Jell-O chocolate pudding. You're going to need your gummy worms, Oreos. You're going to need whipped topping, a whole small batch of it, and you're also going to need milk. Your ingredients are going to be a bowl, something to mix, a spoon, measuring cup, and if you already don't have crushed Oreos, you're going to need to crush them, so a plastic Ziploc bag can just work just fine. So let's get started. So I'm gonna grab my bowl and I'm going to get my Jell-O pudding, and I'm going to open it up and pour it in my bowl. So you should have your mix in here already. And I'm gonna get my measuring cup, and I'm going to get 2 cups of milk. So here. So 1 cup, I'm gonna pour it in. And then I'm gonna get a 2nd cup and pour it in. Once you have that poured in, you can go ahead and mix. I also did forget that you're gonna need cups. You're gonna need cups to put your pudding mixture in. So yes, you need cups also. You can use plastic cups. I don't have any plastic cups, so I'm going to be using these small bowls that I will show you in the next clip that I will be using. Since I will be making a couple of them, this can make up to, depending on the size of your cups or the little mini bowls you use, you can make up to 10 dirt cups. But it really depends on how much you want to make. So just go ahead and keep mixing up your Jell-O. Mix, 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 mix. Mix, mix, mix. And you want to keep mixing until it starts looking not super liquidy. So just mix, mix, mix. So I'll see you in a few seconds after I'm done mixing. I just wanted to show you guys as I'm mixing, it's starting to not look liquidy, it's starting to get thick, and that's what we want. So I'm gonna mix it for another minute or 2. Normally it's about 2 minutes, but I'm not using a whisk. I'm using, this is kind of like my mixer spoon that I use. If you have a whisk, it might be easier, but I will show you the next step. Now that you are done mixing your chocolate pudding, you're going to want to get your whipped topping, and this is what's going to kind of make it look like dirt in a sense, dirt texture that we want to use. So I'm going to just go ahead and just use all of my container. This is actually an 8-ounce container, which is perfect. This is the kind of amount you want to need. And you're going to make sure that your box is at 3.9 ounce as well. So I'm actually going to go ahead and just pour this in to my mixture. Just pour, pour, pour. Now you're gonna go ahead and mix that up. And this is what kind of gives it like that brownish color instead of it being super dark that looks like chocolate. Kind of gives it that dirt look in a sense. And you're just gonna want to keep mixing and mixing and mixing. And I will show you what it looks like. As I'm mixing, this is what my mixture is starting to look like. You just want to keep mixing, mixing, mixing. Now, once you have mixed your mixture up, you're actually going to want to crumb up some Oreos. So if you already don't have them crumbed up, you're going to get your plastic Ziploc bag and put some in and smash it up. So this is the other fun part that we get to do. We get to smash up some cookies. So I'm gonna grab about 2, 4, 6. I'm gonna grab about 10 for now. And I'm going to stick them in my Ziploc bag. Just like that. Close it up. And smash. Smash. You may need a parent's help for this to get one of those, like a bowl or something hard to smash. So you're definitely going to need an adult for this. So I'll see you back in the next clip. So I actually got my smasher. I am Dominican, so I actually have this to smash up garlic from when I'm like cooking up my spices. So I'm actually going to use this to smash up my Oreos. And just smash them up really good. You know, move the bag around and just smash them up. Okay, my little friends, I'm actually done smashing up my Oreos. As you can see, in this baggie, I'm actually going to go ahead and grab my mixture. I'm actually going to pour some of the crumbs in here. Doesn't matter the amount you use of crumbs. I don't like to put that many on them. I like to layer my dirt cups up, but I add this because it gives it a little bit of crunchy texture. Okay, put that aside and I'm gonna mix this up. And just to show you guys what it looks like, it is starting to look a bit like dirt. So this is what it looks like. Okay, my little friends, I'm back. I actually found some mini cups that I'm gonna use, but the rest of my mixture is actually gonna go into a bowl. I'm just gonna show you how to layer it. So you're just gonna grab whatever cup you're using, and your first layer is going to be your dirt mixture. So we're gonna want to fill that up. And once you have it halfway filled, you're going to go back and grab some of your Oreos. And at this point, you can use your hands if you want to, or use cups. I'm actually going to use my hand because I'm just going to layer it right on top. So as long as your hands are clean, which they should be, you should be fine. See? So far, I'm using, can't really tell, but there's my mixture and my Oreos right on top. And I'm just gonna top it up with a worm. I'm actually gonna put 2 worms. I have these long ones. So I'm gonna stick it right in there. See, there's 1 dirt cup. I'm gonna do another one. Mix in with my dirt. As you can see, there it is. And tap it up with my worm. And it will show you what it looks like in a second. And here is a dirt cup with my worms. It looks a little disgusting, but trust me, it is super delicious. I'm actually gonna just go pop these in the fridge. I actually make these and I eat them right up as I'm making them. But the trick is to, if you're gonna eat them later, don't put your gummy bears in just yet. Just do your dirt cup, put your pudding layer, your Oreos, pop it in the fridge for about an hour, then take them out, put your gummy bears in, and enjoy. I, on the other hand, can't wait, so I'm actually gonna eat it just like this. But whichever way you prefer to eat it, it's still gonna be delicious. I hope you guys enjoyed making dirt cups with me. Bye, my little friends.